When it comes to decorating on a budget, it helps to identify the areas where you can save money without skimping on style. From thrift stores to DIY projects, there are numerous ways to get the look of a luxury home on a budget. Stick with neutral colors and accents on furniture, rugs, and artwork to create a look of luxury without breaking the bank. Paint is another cost-effective option, so don't be afraid to try something new with a fresh coat of paint. Don't throw out old furniture or items in your home. Repurpose them. By taking an old piece of furniture and reinvigorating it with a new look or use, you can add new life to an old piece. Upcycling items is also becoming increasingly popular and allows you to give a breath of fresh air to existing items. By using a combination of repurposing, upcycling, and DIY projects, you can transform your home into something unique and beautiful. Paint and wallpaper can completely transform the look of a room. Whether you opt for a bold color or a more neutral shade, you can use paint to easily change the mood of a room. Wallpaper is also a great way to add texture and interest to a room. Be sure to consider the amount of natural light in a room to make sure that the wall color is not too dark for the space. Don't be afraid to use a combination of paint and wallpaper for a truly unique look. Sometimes you just need a quick update to make a big difference in the look of a room. Reorganizing and moving furniture around can instantly make a space look different, as can rearranging artwork or adding a few small decorations. Other simple ideas include updating throw pillows, changing out old curtains or blinds, or adding new accent pieces like lamps or vases. These simple updates can make a big impact on the look and feel of a room. Adding artwork and wall hangings can give a room a personal touch. From pieces of original artwork to gallery walls of favorite prints and photos, the possibilities are endless when it comes to making a space your own. You can even get creative with what counts as artwork by using items like mirrors, houseplants, sculptures, or even repurposed items like old doors or windows. Get creative and add wall hangings for a unique look. Lighting can change the mood of any room. You can use lighting to highlight a specific area or to create a certain atmosphere. If a room is too bright, add dimmer switches or low wattage bulbs to create a more subtle effect. Different types of lamps can be used to direct light in certain areas and to create a certain type of ambience. Layer different types of lighting, such as natural and overhead lighting, to complete the perfect mood in any room. Texture is an important element in home decor. In addition to paint and artwork, you can use other elements to add more interest and texture to a space. Find creative ways to incorporate fabric, baskets, rugs, and plants to give any room more visual interest. Don't be afraid to experiment and mix different textures for a unique look. Outdoor spaces are often forgotten when it comes to home decor. You can easily make the outdoors of your home just as inviting and beautiful as the inside. Install string lights, add cozy furniture, and hang art and other decorations to enhance the atmosphere. Utilize planters and greenery to bring a touch of nature to your outdoor living space and enjoy a peaceful oasis right in your own backyard.